BJP in fact has announced its list of 57 candidates, and Suvendu Adhikari, that's the highlight of the list. Suvendu Adhikari will be contesting against West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee from Nandigram constituency.
अधिकारी को लड़ा रहे हैं ममता के खिलाफ, टक्कर दे पाएंगे?
बिल्कुल दे पाएंगे। जिस प्रकार से देखिए पश्चिम बंगाल में सत्ता परिवर्तन की लहर चल रही है, लोग ऊब गए हैं टीएमसी सरकार से कि जिस प्रकार से भ्रष्टाचार और कुशासन का चक्र वहां पे चल रहा है, तानाशाही रवैया है, आए दिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं की हत्या होती है। केंद्र की जो योजनाएं हैं, चाहे आयुष्मान भारत हो, चाहे पीएम किसान योजना, वहां लागू नहीं हो रही है। टीएमसी से और ममता बनर्जी से लोग ऊब चुके हैं। इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूं कि बिल्कुल टक्कर देंगे, टक्कर ही नहीं देंगे। ममता बनर्जी अपनी सीट हारेंगी भी।
कल प्रधानमंत्री का रैली है, इसी बीच में ममता बनर्जी भी कलकत्ता में से केंद्र सरकार के खिलाफ प्रदर्शन भी कर रही है।
देखिए चुनाव है तो चुनाव में करेंगी, कुछ न कुछ तो करना ही चाहिए। लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री जी की विशाल जनसभा हो रही है, अभूतपूर्व विशाल जनसभा को माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी संबोधित करेंगे। ममता बनर्जी के ऊपर से लोगों का विश्वास, पश्चिम बंगाल के लोगों का विश्वास उठ चुका है। झगड़ालू प्रवृत्ति के व्यक्ति को मुख्यमंत्री नहीं चाहिए। ऐसा व्यक्ति चाहिए जो केंद्र के साथ समन्वय करके अधिक से अधिक योजनाओं का लाभ प्रदेश की जनता को दे सके। इसलिए उनका जाना तय है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनना तय है।
You're watching the News Hour Special Edition, Debate Number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
The blockbuster battle will happen in Nandigram between Mamata Banerjee and Suvendu Adhikari. Let's open this up and go across to our guests. We're joined by Guru Prakash, national spokesperson of the BJP. We have with us Kiya Ghosh, journalist and political analyst. Riju Datta, spokesperson of the TMC, joins us on the broadcast. And we also have Anirban Banerjee, political analyst. Good evening to all four of you. Let me first go across to Mr. Datta. Mr. Datta, Mamata Banerjee has taken the fight to Suvendu Adhikari's home turf. And even before his name was announced, Mr. Adhikari said he will defeat Mamata Banerjee with more than 50,000 votes.
Good evening to you, Swati. The question here is, what option does BJP have other than fielding Suvendu Adhikari against Mamata Banerjee? That is the only face they have. And considering they have got more than 56,000 applications on 294 seats, at least they have to field Suvendu Adhikari against Mamata Banerjee. That's number one point. And I strongly believe that BJP is making Suvendu Adhikari a complete scapegoat. Now, coming to what the election will be fought on, the election will be fought on, as our political slogan is, Bangla Nijer Meke Chai. It is the Bengal's daughter who has given free health care, free education, free ration, and free health insurance. Again, in the last 10 years, where we have touched everybody's life in Bengal, against 7 years of fake promises. So it is quite evident that BJP is rattled their shells off. The last ploy they had was fielding Suvendu Adhikari and Mamata Banerjee. It was expected. They have done it good on them. And now in tomorrow's rally, they have to bring Akshay Kumar, they have to bring other celebrities to somehow get people. And today morning, the BJP top shot leaders are doing door to door, even in the level of Mr. Kailash Vijayvargiya, distributing tickets to attend the brigade. So this is what the situation of BJP is.
But everybody has a right to... Everybody has a right to campaign the way they want.
They have the right to campaign. But before you go to the other panelists, I'm just going to say this Nandigram battle is being hyped politically, but it is not a big hype because it's a very easy battle for Mamata Banerjee because it is...
Mr. Datta, one would say who started it. You're saying this is being hyped, one would say who started it. Mamata Banerjee made the first move and announced that she would be contesting from Nandigram. Yesterday, she confirmed that she will contest only from Nandigram. I want to go across to Guru Prakash. Guru Prakash, yes, Mamata Banerjee, the daughter of West Bengal, is going back to Nandigram 10 years after she became face of the agitation. But many would remind the TMC that the architect of that movement, or the one responsible for the ouster of left, was Mr. Adhikari and the stronghold that his family has in Nandigram. But TMC would tell you, you had no other option. You had no face.
This is going to be the final nail on the coffin, as they say. They're going to lose their deposit. The people of West Bengal are now fed up with the sort of corruption, the misgovernance, the cut money, the extortion. You need to start any venture anywhere in West Bengal, you need to pay extortion rate to the local TMC goons. We have seen the politics of corruption, the politics of violence that they have institutionalized in the course of last 10 years. She might be a daughter of Bengal. I'm not disagreeing with that. But there are millions of other sons and daughters as well who have equal rights.
Are you saying
she
Mamata
is
Banerjee
not
will
the
lose her
sole
deposit?
and the exclusive custodian
When you
of
say
West
they
Bengal.
are going to lose their deposit, are you saying Mamata Banerjee is going to lose
She's
her
not the
deposit?
sole, and let's see, because at least 50,000 vote is something which we are hopeful, but you never know what can happen. It's going to be a very positive campaign from our side, and we are very hopeful that the Bengal which was imagined by Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, the Bengal which was imagined by Swami Vivekanand, it's going to be a truth on 2nd of May.
All
Do
right.
Mai Didi Gai is going to be the Nara of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay, but the points that you raised, and I want to bring in Ms. Ghosh as well. Ms. Ghosh, the points that Guru Prakash raised about cut money culture or extortion culture, Mr. Suvendu Adhikari was, in that case, if that is true, was very much part of that culture when he was in TMC. So what is he going to tell people when he goes there to seek their votes?
See, Swati, Mamata Banerjee, her claim to fame was Singur and Nandigram. But unfortunately, she claims to be the daughter of Bengal, but hardly she visited these places. Singur is definitely very much people over there. They were very, very irked by her and disappointed. And similarly in Nandigram also. So it will be a very tough fight between the son of the soil, who is Suvendu Adhikari. He is the actual son of the soil of Nandigram, versus somebody. Mamata Banerjee, she always tells people outsiders Bohiragato. So over here, she is technically a Bohiragato. She comes from a different assembly, which is in Bhavanipur, heartland of Kolkata. And then she has to go to Nandigram. And she has given Bhavanipur to other one of her old aides. And now she has decided that she, in fact, the day she was declaring her candidature, she said she might also contest from Tollygunge while declaring the candidature. Why? Why was she shaken? Was she not sure of her imminent victory? So which raises the definite question that she is unsure and she knows that Suvendu Adhikari has an edge over her in Nandigram.
Suvendu Adhikari has an edge, says Ms. Ghosh. I want a quick counter. Yes, Mr. Datta, I know you're raising your hand, but I also want to bring in Anirban. I also want to bring in Anirban. I'll come to you after that. Anirban, I want a quick counter from you. Yes, the agitation, the movement against land grab in Nandigram catapulted Mamata Banerjee to power in the state. But many would say that the real reason behind all of that was the Adhikari family. So the sweep, TMC sweep in Nandigram, was it because of Mamata Banerjee or Suvendu Adhikari? That is debatable. That is something that is being raised now that this blockbuster of a fight has been announced.
In debating newsrooms, and therefore I must say, whenever somebody utters the name of Nandigram, it is not Adhikari family, but only the name of Mamata Banerjee that comes to one's mind. Let's consider for a moment, if Miss Mamata Banerjee had not led that particular movement against land grab in Nandigram, where would Suvendu Adhikari be? I mean, without Mamata Banerjee, he would have been nothing. She trusted him. She raised him to be a political persona in West Bengal. And when Mr. Suvendu Adhikari betrays her, where does the onus of betrayal lie upon? It is on Suvendu Adhikari. You mean you cannot allege a person who is actually trusting someone
but I think you'll
for
have to
being
wait
in a
to know.
first position?
I think you'll have to wait to know what people think. Do people think that he betrayed Mamata Banerjee, or are people going to buy his argument that he was not allowed to work, that he questioned leadership in TMC? Yes, Mr. Datta, now you can come.
For 10 long years.
I'll give you very point-wise answer. So first of all, when people say, BJP especially and BJP aides, they say that Suvendu Adhikari or TMC has not done any work from Nandigram. Let me remind them that Suvendu Adhikari was Mamata Banerjee's representative and elected by the same people, so that he is the person who will take the initiatives of the state government to the people. So he is a failure. How do you think now the people of Nandigram will trust him that he will do good to them after BJP comes in, if BJP comes in ever? Now the second point, when people talk about Bengal's daughter, why these BJP spokies or the BJP aid spokies, they forget about another Bengal daughter, Pamela Goswami, who was their state secretary, caught with 100 grams of cocaine. Now, surprisingly, that story is all lost. Now, my dear friend Guru Prakash said Mamata Banerjee's deposit will be lost. And Guru, I think you have completely lost it. You're talking about Mamata Banerjee's deposit being lost. And
It's a
lastly-
double-edged sword, Mr.
lastly,
Datta,
Mamata
when you say that
Banerjee-
Suvendu
lastly,
Adhikari was Mamata Banerjee's representative, and if you're buying that argument that yes, no work was done in Nandigram, then why didn't you reprimand Mr. Suvendu Adhikari? Why didn't the TMC question him?
When Suvendu Adhikari was probed by the central machinery in the Naroda case, to save his own self only, he jumped ship. And you know the washing machine, all the Choru Chakkal
Okay.
became Sadhu Sant, and now...
But then you
he has
allowed him to
assassinated-
jump. You didn't do anything. You waited for him to jump. Okay. Guru Prakash, come in.
Riju Datta, if I can give you unsolicited advice, राजनीति में विनम्रता होनी चाहिए. There should be a space for humility in politics. This arrogance of yours, naming anyone as lieutenant, naming anyone as someone's prodigy, as someone's product, this is going to be the reason for your debacle, sir. What I don't understand is that there is no semblance of internal democracy, no collective leadership in the entire TMC. Since its inception, there has been only one national president, which is Mamta Didi. Why is there no space for any leadership with credence? The point is that anyone with good credence, they are feeling claustrophobic in your organization. No one is left. The only agenda of Mamta Didi, when Bharatiya Janata Party says Jan Kalyan, Mamta Didi says Bhatija Kalyan. Her only focus is Bhatija Bachao Andolan. Her only energy is now being focused on promoting Abhishek Banerjee as the next chief minister. But that is not going to happen. You raised a question about a lady. I will also remind you, sir, that the CBI has recently questioned what was Mr. Banerjee's wife doing with so much gold at Kolkata
Very
airport.
good question.
Do you
Can I
have
comment
any
on
answers
it?
for that? Who has transferred money
Okay.
to her account? Who is Mr. Lala? So these are some
Can I
of the
comment?
tough questions which you must
Okay,
answer.
quick counter.
And
I
you
also
must
want to go
answer
across
the
to Ms.
people of
Ghosh
West
and
Bengal.
Anirban Banerjee.
The people of West
Very
Bengal
good
have
question,
suffered.
Shehbaz.
Swati,
Now, one more thing.
Ma'am,
When you
I'm
raised
taking a quick counter from Mr.
Datta is
Datta.
so hyper, then it won't be possible.
Yes, now quick answer to Guru Prakash. Guru Prakash, when you're talking about Lala and the coal scam, has the CBI given the notices to the ECL chairman and the CISF DG? Because CISF is the protectee of coal mines and the coal mines are under ECL. So apne ghar mein jhaako, they are central organizations. You have manipulated and tarnished every state machinery in the country.
Okay.
You have tried it in Bengal.
Riju
for
bhai,
electoral
I have a
violence.
great
That was
amount
not
of respect
happened.
for you.
And let me talk.
No, Riju bhai, I have
I
a
need
great
to
amount
tell
of
you,
respect for you, and I understand your sankat.
We
I
are-
understand your
okay,
sankat. I have
Ms. Ghosh
complete
also wants
sympathy
to
for
come
you.
in.
Even you know that you
I need
cannot
to
rise
remind
beyond a
Mr.
particular
Datta,
point in
he is a
TMC.
official.
So you are
Even
also
he was
welcome to
under
join the Bharatiya
interrogation.
Janata Party.
I think he has forgotten that. And one more
One
thing,
by one,
he
please.
is mentioning one stray incident of Pamela Goswami. There are so many incidents where we can see on Naroda sting operation. We saw the ex-mayor of Calcutta, Kolkata. He was taking money. He was accepting money. Shogata Rai, their MP, was accepting money, and so many other leaders.
You know, Ms. Ghosh, one would say if TMC is such a corrupt party and if it follows the culture of extortion and cut money, why has BJP welcomed so many leaders from TMC into their fold?
Exactly.
That is what many would remind BJP of and question as well. I want to bring in Anirban Banerjee as well. You were just playing out some numbers, Anirban Banerjee. Speaking purely based on the numbers, there has been a steady rise as far as BJP's vote share, if you compare it to the Lok Sabha elections in South Bengal is concerned. Many are saying that is one of the reasons why Mamata Banerjee has picked up Nandigram, and Suvendu Adhikari's induction into the BJP is only going to boost their chances.
Well, the steady rise of vote share of the BJP has been at the expense of the left and to an extent of the Congress. The Trinamool's vote share has remained very, very steady. It has actually increased in 2019 compared to 2014. Therefore, whether the BJP has gained over the left or the Congress is not going to bother the TMC much, because whenever it is the assembly election, the BJP has on an
No,
average
TMC's vote share has also gone down.
15% votes.
TMC's vote share also gone down. We're playing out those numbers. It's not just at the behest of left and Congress.
2014, 2019 vote share has gone up by almost 3%. That is what I am saying. And whenever it is the state elections, the BJP has actually lost on an average 15% vote from the general elections. Therefore, just look at Delhi. Amit Shah said they are going to win more than 45 seats. They ended up winning only 8. Therefore, they are at the steady rate at which they have lost vote shares in the state elections. Bengal's fate is actually decided. The
All right.
BJP
Guru Prakash
might
wants to
even
come in.
move to the third position.
So
I would
you've
say.
gained foothold only because of the decline in left and Congress party's vote share. TMC is unaffected.
Swati, that is such a defeatist argument. I seriously don't understand when the entire media, all the political pundits, they say Modi magic, we say Modi mehnat. In the last 6 years, 42 crore bank accounts. The financial untouchability has ended in the tune of crores. Ujjwala scheme, Mudra scheme, more than 20 crore people have benefited,
Petrol
out
at
of which
100
more than 10
rupees,
crore belongs
diesel
to
at
SC,
90
ST,
rupees,
OBC. Why don't you
LPG
see all
at
this and why
almost
don't you do some
1,000?
introspection? No, why don't you do
Is
some
this the kind
introspection?
of
There is a
vodka
reason,
you are
sir, I did
talking
not
about,
speak when
sir?
you were speaking, sir. There is a reason why, sir, I did not speak when you were speaking, sir.
No,
Please
but
have
yes,
the
that's
patience
fine,
and the
but you
grace
must
to listen
answer
to the
these
debaters
questions.
as well,
What
sir.
about the rising food
Thank you so much.
prices?
Thank you so much.
What about the rising household
that is the
item
problem.
prices?
When you don't have logic,
No, what
when you
about-
don't
what
have
about the
rational,
failing
you try and
loans
heckle
of your
people.
close
That is
crony
something which is
capitalist
unacceptable. But
friends?
listen to me.
What about
There is a
the
reason
what about
people
the
are
rising
reposing
wealth
their
of
faith
Mr. Ambani and
repeatedly in
Adani?
the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi.
When the
There is a
unemployment
reason. There is a
rate is at
reason
a
why
record
people are
high,
reposing
your
and
friend
reasserting
Ambani
their
and
faith
Adani's
in the
have
leadership of
also
Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
created
Okay,
Why don't
okay,
you
all right.
understand
I believe
In the
this
last
debate
10
will go
years,
on and on
people
till
of
the
West
day,
Bengal
till the
have
day, till the day the vote, till the day the voters reach the centers and cast their vote. Only after that we'll know whose argument wins. For now, I have to thank you all. Guru Prakash, Mr. Datta, Kiya Ghosh and Anirban Banerjee, thank you very much for joining us. That's all the time I have for this debate.
The News Hour Special Edition.